My experience at Jones Day began when I was a summer, and when I joined as a first year very early on, I was brought into a multi-billion-dollar transaction involving the investment of one food and beverage company into another. I would tell law students considering Jones Day that when they join, they can expect to be involved in major transactions very early on, and to be working with senior associates and partners who are invested in your career.
As an associate at Jones Day, I've had the chance to work on real estate financing for a portfolio of industrial properties valued at almost $1 billion. I've also had the chance to work on an IPO where we're taking an oil and gas company public. And most recently, I've worked on the documents for the disposition of a company with an enterprise value at almost $11.25 billion.
I started at Jones Day in 2014 as a summer associate, and when I came here to work as a first-year associate, I started working directly on a wide variety of matters in the sciences. I started doing patent prosecution matters, working for a number of pharmaceutical and biotechnology clients in the areas of cancer, autoimmune diseases, and pain therapy.
At Jones Day, I've had the opportunity to work on a number of pro bono cases. The most memorable one is a case that I had where I represented a woman and her daughter who were fleeing horrific domestic violence in Honduras. I worked with this mother and daughter for a year and a half and ultimately secured asylum in a hearing that I handled by myself in front of an immigration judge. We walked out having just won asylum. The mother and the child were weeping with joy. There was not a dry eye on the Jones Day team as well, myself included.
When you come to Jones Day, expect to be a part of something bigger than yourself, whether that is working on large transactions in a leading role with direct interactions with a partner, or whether that is being the lead associate on many of the pro bono opportunities that our firm offers. And when you come to Jones Day, you're going to be a part of something big.
I really appreciate being able to work with people in New York and Chicago and California and international offices. And it's a real benefit here to be able to work with colleagues from all across the US and all across the world.
So I really joined Jones Day for two reasons. The first was that I just really liked the people. The second is that I was attracted to the firm's one firm worldwide model. Pretty quickly after I joined the firm, I was staffed on an international government investigation. As part of that investigation, I had the opportunity to attend witness interviews, both in Mexico City and in multiple cities in China.
As a young associate, I was able to work on a high-profile merger investigation. You find yourself working with people from all over the world, from Brussels to Japan to Mexico City. If you want to work on high-profile mergers, and if you want to work for a group of people that will help you develop as an associate and a young attorney, come to Jones Day. The opportunities are there, you just have to ask for them.